Hey guys, today I want to show you something really quick. If you're a creative, for example, if you're a photographer and you have your Facebook page and you can share pictures pretty much very simply and easily. Feel free to like my Facebook page. I created it yesterday actually only, so I got 34 followers. So anyway, if I want to put the content here, you know, my new video or new picture, it's pretty simple, right? But I want to show you that if you have your website, it is simple as well. You know, it doesn't mean that if you have a website that you have to have some kind of real advanced technical skills in order to be able to update it and put the content in. It's not true, you know. If you use, for example, I'm using WordPress, and if you're using WordPress, it's pretty easy, you know, and everybody can do it, everybody. So don't be afraid of anything technical or something that you don't understand. So I will take you now behind the scenes of my website. So let's go to my dashboard, WordPress dashboard, and let's say I want to add a picture, right? So if you go to photography, I have a plugin which creates this nice, you know, nice gallery of my photos, you know, and you can go through it like this. So it's pretty cool. I just used the plugin and I uploaded the photos, so there's nothing complicated about it, you know. So let me show you. If I want to put a new picture, so I go out, you know, I take pictures and I want to put it on my Facebook and website. Let me show you how to do it. Here I have my plugin, which is gallery. So I go to that, and this is my, see, photography, this is my gallery. This is what you saw here. This is it. So simple way, just click gallery, photography, and add images, yeah. Import from WordPress library or Instagram account. So if I want to import it from my library, I can do that, like, okay, let's do this, but I can also upload, yeah, this one, for example, yeah. So I open, this is going to load. So I have London Hyde Park, yeah, so choose image. Please wait until image is imported, yeah. So image list, let me see. The images that I import are going to the bottom, yeah. So I can move it where I want to, you know, where I can see that it fits. I refresh and you can see it's here. So I hope that I showed you that it can be really quick and fast also to put your new stuff on the website, so you can update it very often. So have a great day and buy a web hosting and set up your website. Thank you for watching.